John. How are we doing so far today? Still on time with everything, I hope?
Yes, sticking to schedule. I'm just about to go for a coffee run, but just gotta tidy up the area first.
Glad to hear. Just keep it up. And remember, don't go off schedule. We can't afford any holdups today.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Here we are.
You look new.
I am. Freshly new. This is my first day.
Great. You'll make a fine addition here.
Thank you. That's very sweet of you to say.
I'm Maggie.
John.
If you ever need anything, have any questions, feel free to come to me.
Thank you. Will do. Got your coffee? Morning.
I was home. No, please!
Hey, are you all right?
Yes, Calvin is fine. It's been a long week for him.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I totally understand
Well,
that.
great. Back to the work at hand, please.
Alrighty then. Hey, Calvin. Calvin, was it? How you feeling? All right. Calvin? Hello? Hello? Calvin? Hey, Maggie, I have a quick question, if you just have a second here.
No, sorry. It's my allotted bathroom time. Chat later?
Oh, okay. I just, you said that if I had any questions, Alright, I guess not. Okay.
Hi, Tom. How are the kids?
They are great, Calvin. How's Sam?
So wonderful. They grow up so fast.
They sure do, Calvin.
John, I would like you to swing by my office today before lights out and pick up an earpiece.
Yeah, sure. I can do that.
Great.
Hey, John. I heard Trevor mention the earpiece headset. Does that mean you'll be returning tomorrow?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this place is the right fit for me.
Oh, no. You'll warm up to this place. I promise.
Yeah, maybe.
Don't worry. Just follow your schedule, and the time will just flow on by. You'll make a fine addition to this office, John.
Hello, Maggie. How are the kids?
They are great, Tom. How's Sam?
So wonderful. They're growing up so fast, aren't
They sure are, Tom.
they?
Hey, Matt. Hey, Trevor. I decided that this place is not a good fit for me, so I'm gonna head out, but I wanted to thank you for the opportunity.
You can't leave. It's not 6 o'clock yet.
Maggie is right. It's almost 6 o'clock. You're not in the clear just yet.
I'm gonna grab my stuff, but have a good night.
Good morning. Got you some coffee. Hi, this is for you. Good morning. It's nice to meet you.
Hello. You look new.
Yeah, it's my first day.
Well, that's great. You'll make a fine addition here. I'm John.
Yeah.